Why is that messed up? Oh, that's annoying. Morning Tris, morning Space. Morning Anthony. Morning, Kevin. Morning, Profitable Mindset. And then morning, Raf. What's up? What's up? We got about 3 minutes until market open. Open buy. I have no idea. What's up, convict trader? Waiting on your TPT payout. Nice. Good job, man. Congrats.
Order filled.
Whoa, wait. What?
Order filled.
What the heck just happened? Alright. Oh, thank God. I got out of that real quick. Was that a win? No, I went short. I went short for some reason. Cause like I was like thinking about going long, and then I don't know what happened. I pressed some wrong button. And right before market open too. That was scary. What did I just lose though? I lost 4 ticks. Semi good news is that I didn't do that on my top step. So this is good news. But loss is a loss, so let's put that in there. That was a dumb mistake. 4. Okay, okay, I lost 5 ticks. MNQ going down, MES going up. Yeah, I mean, it's too late now, but right where I was going to go long, I went short, right? So that would have hit my TP. That's stupid. That was dumb. But it is what it is. Wow, you got out at the perfect time there. What's up, Katie? Morning, Dylan. Let's give these away. What's the cost? Today giveaway if I win. If I win a giveaway, or if I win a trade, I'll do the giveaway. I don't know. We'll see. You're welcome, Dylan. It's random, so you just you were just lucky. One account? I don't know. Depends how I feel. Probably more than one for sure. You choose random peoples from comments? No, we do the duck race. You'll see when I do it what to do. Please do some profits for us at least. I'm trying, man. I'm trying my best to, make some money. Today could have been the day right here. If I didn't go short on accident and went long, today would have been it. So everyone has chance to win the giveaway. Yeah. As long as you're here when I'm doing it. Dang, we're really pushing up here. Sub smooth. Are you talking about me, Hero? So you win a trade, you do a giveaway? Yeah, exactly. Okay, see ya, dude. Too much. 136 is very less. You can come back. Yeah, I'm not worried. I'm just waiting for the next setup. That's all it is. Yeah, man. Hell of an open. We're back. We're so back. Bitcoin isn't going up, though. That's interesting. What's up, Shab Nams? Hey, Lucifer. Am I hiding people from live? Uh, I'm banning them. I guess is that same as hiding? Probably. Why banning? If they're annoying. So it's purely on my discretion. So don't be annoying or stupid. My old account hide. Okay, so you want to be hidden for this new account as well? Oh my god, can we stop going up? Alright, then stop being annoying. That's all you gotta do. It's not that high of a bar here. You kind of outed yourself that you have multiple accounts though. So I don't think that goes well for you. I feel like if you let me on stream, we can be like Rush Hour the movie. Why is that? Because I'm black. Okay, I get what you're saying. So I'm the Jackie Chan here. I noticed that you're really forward with you being black. I can be Chris Rock. Wait, it's not Chris Rock. It's Tucker. I got confused because I was watching Fargo the other night, and Chris Rock is in that season 4. Because there's not that many black traders streaming. We need to up the game. Yeah, I think so. I mean, I've seen a lot of black traders that make content, but streaming wise, probably not. But I could be wrong. I'm not someone that looks at, oh, who's streaming. What's my idea for today? Just sit here and watch what happens. Probably get something at 10 a.m. Maybe something that resembles a 10 a.m. reversal if we keep going up. Trade what you see, not what you think. Yes. Been short since 488. That's pretty good. Looks like you're printing. All right, looks like we're getting some decent correction here, which complicates the 10 a.m. reversal narrative. I don't know if the reversal here means we're going up or we're going to keep going down. I posted in chat for doubters. I don't think anybody's doubting you, my guy. Especially if you're doing one micro. Everyone doubts. If you're doubting, man, you got something better to do. Like I have people come in here saying, they made $27,000 before 10 a.m. all the time. I don't doubt them. I'm like, good for you, man. Keep going. Make sure you don't share your alpha with us because you don't want to lose that edge. So, if they're making that money, good for you. You're in a long. All right, good luck. I'm still waiting on that dude's indicator. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where he went. So he from the from the three types of trader or three types of person that I mentioned when he came in, he's the number two, the type that he really made the money and just wanting to show off, and that's about it. He doesn't want to help. He doesn't want to scam. He just wanted to come in and, shoot his shot. Amazing that we're right in the middle of the range. All right, now it's 10 a.m. So I think we came down enough that I think 10 a.m. reversal would be a long here. So now would be the right time to long. Oh, what's up, Andrew Tate? Big fan, man. Big fan. Any good setup? Nope, not for me. Remember when I said this is the right time to long? Yeah. You're in long on MYM. Let me look at YM. Oh, so YM didn't drop as much as ES. So I don't know. So I don't know if I can recommend a 10 a.m. reversal long there. It's gonna crash. All right, let's see. You got a type stop loss? Okay. Alright, we're dropping, so never mind. I was wrong. Remember when I said go long at 10 a.m.? Yeah, look at that. We didn't get a dip below that area. I exited my short position now. I'm waiting for a new setup. Good job. Oh, let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm ready, man. I've been ready. When do I get my chance? You know what I'm saying? Long's dead. I'm waiting for longs on 15 minutes. All right. I guess we're going down. Jeez. Goodbye, longs. Took a loss. All good. Same here, man. Even though mine was like a stupid mistake, I lost $100 in like 2 seconds. Still above 15 minutes, 20 EMA. Longs aren't dead yet. Jeez. Guys, it's over. It's over. The world is ending. You ready for the bounce up? I mean, I've been ready, but I don't see it. I don't see it happening. Yeah, man. Do I scalp? Um, I would define my trade as scalping, but only when I see something scalpable. Never mind, not look for shorts. I go where the 15 minutes go. Nothing wrong with changing your bias, man. That is the smart thing to do. So did you go long again? I assume you did. But once again, we have a huge volume, huge volatility, crazy stuff. I mean, I might be cooked on this hour as well. But then also the next hour, because the range is going to be so big. Kind of wild. Sent the screenshot in the wins tab. So you just market bought as it was dropping, or it went as it was going up? He took a loss on the initial retest of the overnight POC and VWAP. Price ripped through it, but when it hit the lower first SD band, my bet was that it wouldn't push farther than that. So once buyer stepped in, I went long and placed my TP at VWAP. Okay, so you market bought in when that green candle happened. I look for one setup no matter which direction, so I do more watching than trading. Take 1 or 2 trades a day. Pretty much same with me. It'll be very rare for me to go above like 4 trades, but it does happen sometimes. The sell-off was crazy. Sellers are reminding us that the crash was real. They meant it. They want to bring prices down. I would say we're like super macroeconomic wise. We're still that is concerning, that Friday dip, and the candles are starting to look pretty ugly. Like maybe like we're kind of rolling over slowly, but I think we're still long-term bullish. We're below VWAP now. I think prop firms are good for the initial risk management. After, it's easier to grow your own small account. 50,000 account is only 2,500 account. Better to snowball your own 2,500. Yes and no. Because with prop firms, you can get that 2,000 to 2,500 buying power with just $100. So it's leveraged in that sense. And there's no reason why you have to pick either or. Just do both. That's also spreading the risk. I think the only ideal situation for growing your own cash account is literally if you're looking to do like a daily payout or like a maybe like a monthly payout. Like if you're gonna live off of trading, cash account is probably the way to go. But if you don't really care about taking out the money for like 6 months or 2 year, like me, you can just pay $100, pass the eval, and just grow that account until like end of the year, and then take the payout. Because I'm sure any rule that you might have, you're gonna pass those rules. So you can only trade out one at a time, so that's hard to do. Just use a trade copier, so you can trade all of them together. Caught a 6 ticks long on a 2 mini. Good stuff. TPT hit the bank. Man, I don't even know what that feeling is anymore. Getting a payout. Because of my strategy, I have to watch the market a lot. So some trades I make from my phone, those apps are for desktop only. Oh yeah. I mean, in your special case, then yeah, maybe. Maybe whatever I say doesn't apply. But if your strategy calls for trading on a phone, I don't know. Personally, that's not my thing. You could say that's very boomer of me, and I'll accept that. Anything serious I can't do on my phone. Like I can't edit on my phone like all the kids can with like TikTok edits and CapCut, whatever that's called. I just can't do it. Seems so limited. You're out taking a reverse. So you took the short? Is that what you're saying? Somehow that text was in there for my last comment. Oh. I was actually laughing from your boomer comment about trading from your phone. I agree. I think it's incredibly hard to do. Yeah, I mean, for trading, not only is it hard, but I feel like there's so many, it's different from other stuff where there's no risk of like doing something wrong per se. But trading wise, like if you mess up, man, like when I'm trading, I need the kill switch to be right there in front of me, like easy access. And that's why for today, at least, like I was able to get out of my position like super fast because like my kill switch was right there. And I feel like for phones, it's like, you have to move around and you have to go over here. I don't know if that's fast enough if something goes wrong. But wow, look at this hourly candle, guys. Jeez. The world is ending now. It's over. I also feel like you don't have enough info with such a small screen. Yeah, exactly. No giveaway. No giveaway. Um, is it a losing streak? I guess so, yeah. Yesterday and today. It's not hard to just use split screen. I keep trading view on the bottom and Ninja Trader on top. I can enter and exit immediately. So you're dividing an already small screen into two and try to trade off of that. I mean, I'm sure it's possible. I'm sure you can do it. We're not trying to persuade you not to do it. Hey, if you can make money with it, do it. But we're kind of saying what our reservation is. Also, I think just in general, okay, this doesn't apply to every trader or everybody, but we need to look for reasons not to trade more than reasons to trade, if that makes sense. So if you have like even like 1% of like some hesitation or a doubt on a trade, you shouldn't trade it. So you should be looking for more reasons not to trade. And trading on a phone is like another reason not to trade. So I'm not going to do it. Could I technically trade on a phone 24/7? Yes. Could I technically trade on a half day? Yes. And make money? Yes. But I choose not to. You're interested in yesterday's overnight low? So I'm assuming right here. I love how on days which I decide to take profits earlier, it does this. Can't make it up. Yeah. That's just hindsight trading though, because you taking early profits will make you more money in the long run, but you just look at days like today and you have those regrets, FOMO, hindsight trading, hindsight math. I do it too, but you shouldn't feel bad about it, is what I'm saying. Because, like, you're not going to get days like this that often. It happens like once a month, maybe. So, you having that discipline of taking early profits will make you more money for sure. But today's gonna be a great day for content creators because you're gonna see those posts, you're gonna see those screenshots. Oh my god, look at me! I went short right here and made all this money. $20 billion in this one trade. Check out my course in the description below. You're gonna see a lot of those posts today. I understand I don't use any indicators besides 9 EMA and VWAP. My setups are pretty easy and basic. It just doesn't happen often. I would build like a custom alert on TradingView that alerts you when that setup happens for you, and you don't need to be looking at your phone or whatever. You can just wait until your setup happens. Every day is a trading day. That is true. Please remove your curse. It's not up to me, man. I'm cursed. I need to go to some witch and get this curse off of me. Also interested in the May 8th Globex low. 10 ticks on 2 minis. Try to use AI to make an algo system. It's a lot harder. We'll need to do more research and take coding. Another stop here, really sad. I need a break. Don't over trade, man. Just trade your setup, and if you lose, you lose. Don't be in a hurry, you know? No, you're not. You're not late for the giveaway. It hasn't happened. Less is more when it comes to trading, unless you have a high frequency system. I think if you have a high frequency thing, like it gets tiring. Maybe that's just me. My personality suits me. Taking like 1 or 2 trades a day. That's good enough for me. Anything more, I get tired. It's like I'm just like emotionally drained, and I don't want to deal with any more trading. All right, we're about to hit 11. What a crazy 10 a.m. candle here. Where is the top here? I guess that's the top. Yeah, I mean, I don't see this giving me a setup. So probably nothing will happen. Waiting for a short setup unless the market reverses again. If it reverses, it's back to waiting. I'm sitting so still. Yeah, make sure you're not you didn't pause the stream because I'm just sitting here. Sometimes I wonder if your stream is working. I'll take that as a compliment. I mean, occasionally I'll glance at the chart, but if it's nowhere near the purple lines, then I'm not interested. You guys all caught that whole short, right? Screenshots on social media. Yeah, man, I made $20 billion before 11. It was so easy. Do I watch hockey or NBA? I don't watch either of those. The only thing I watch is football, but then not even all of it. I just watch it if my team goes to like the playoffs. And even then, maybe. You're a Seahawks fan? Yes. American football? Yeah. Yeah, football, not football. That's right. Seahawks were nice last year, man. Obviously, they won the Super Bowl. Yeah. It would be very nice if the Bills caught some of that mojo this year. Um, I don't know the exact history of the Bills, but if you look at the history of the Seahawks, like you should feel bad for that team. I think in the last decade we won two Super Bowls, but before then we were like the last team for like forever, last place. And I would say we got lucky with the I even forgot the name of the quarterback because he used to be a nobody. Sam Darnold, yeah. I should know his name because he went to my school, but no, Russell is he's retired, man. Go look up the history of the Bills. You'll feel better about the Seahawks. Really? Okay. Yeah, I can't remember as long as I followed football, Bills doing well, but I always thought Seahawks were the worst. I'm gonna eat dinner. Are you sure giveaway not coming? I'm pretty sure. I'm 80% sure that I'm not gonna trade. And even if I do take a trade, there's no guarantee that I'm gonna win. So in the 90s, the Bills went to 4 straight Super Bowls and never won one. Wow. That's tough. They lost the Super Bowl, first of the 4 appearances, to Giants by a missed field goal. Okay. I take back what I said. Yeah, I just don't know much about the Bills, but I like what they have these days. I think you just need a really good GM, honestly. Like, you'd think it's up to the players making the plays, but you just need that magical GM that puts all the chess pieces into the right place and just make it work. I'm gonna eat, have a great comeback tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow, man. You made a good 180. Then in the 2000s, they basically just went from 610 to 88 for like 2 decades. I mean, that's like almost every team, Seahawks included. I think Raiders are legit cursed for sure. I thought they would do better in Vegas, but nope. You need GM, coach, and QB. You need at least two of those, and usually you can't do it without a QB. Yeah, but doesn't GM pick the coach and QB? Like GM picks everybody to be in the team. I don't know how the draft works exactly, but often that's not how you find the QB. Okay. I mean, I just find it crazy that I'm sure there's luck involved as well, but you just pick a QB like Sam who's like okay in other teams, but then he's like so well adapted to this team, and just you can just win a Super Bowl off of it. That seems crazy. In other words, many GMs pick high draft pick QBs and they fail due to bad coaching, impatience, and etc. He was a top 5 pick with the Jets. Failed there. Was he a top 5 pick? I don't remember him being that good. Then he went to Minnesota. He did really great. I thought he did okay in Minnesota. Like something didn't really match. Something didn't really match. Maybe he didn't really jive well with the coach in Minnesota. He went 3rd overall. Okay. He did really good in Minnesota. But why would they let him go then? I guess maybe Seahawks gave up something big. The problem was that they also drafted a QB in the 1st round. Oh, so they had a new guy coming in and they wanted to give him a shot. Sam Darnold for them was always just a holdover. Yeah. Well, I'm saying to me, in my point of view, GM is the guy who's like, okay, like we're gonna pick Sam Darnold from Minnesota, and then we're gonna match him with this QB or this coach, and they're gonna work well. So I feel like the origin of like all the decision making is from the GM. Like, sure, yeah, you're gonna have so many stupid GMs that's only gonna go for the high pick QBs and try to make a franchise out of it, but they always fail. What I'm saying is, yes, GM is important, but the main thing is either by GM's decision making or pure luck, you need to get a QB. Yes. Yeah, you're not going to get a good team without a QB. Yes, for sure. And often you get a good QB because his skill set matches the coach's system. Yeah. I think what I've heard, because I don't really look into too deep on this, but I've heard Seahawks coach right now is a defensive coach. For some reason, defensive coaches do better than offense because it's better to shut down offense rather than you try to make a lot of points. Darnold with the Seahawks, very good, and won a Super Bowl. I think it was a good match. And I'm pretty sure Seahawks got him for super cheap too. So at least for that year, they got a good return on their money. But now it's gonna get more expensive for sure. What's up, Jose? No more Lucid Tuesday. Nope, no more Lucid Tuesdays. It's not an offensive or defensive head coach thing. It's the overall environment around the QB. Yeah, I mean, I don't pretend to understand. But whatever it is, it's a good fit, right? That's all that matters. This PA has been tough, yeah. Followed you on X, you're not active on X. I just started to become more active. Thanks for the follow. I kind of post my daily trade summary on X. That's what I'm doing with link to my trading recaps. We actually broke the bottom though. Did I take a trade today? I guess technically I made a mistake and went short when I was supposed to go long. So, did I take a legit trade today? No. Like if that is the only thing I did today, I'm not even gonna make a video about it. Seems stupid. You should look into order flow. I looked I looked into it, but I don't think it's for me. It's too many numbers. But I mean, I'm open-minded about it. So at some point I might look into orb, order flow, all that. And just like the negative RR part, I'll give it a try and see if I like it. But usually my initial intuition is correct. Like if I think it's too complicated or if I think I'm not gonna like it, that is, I mean, maybe I'm already biased going in, but I'm open to it. It's giveaway time? No, it's not a giveaway time. All you need is volume profile, delta profile, and big trades indicator. I mean, that's like two more indicators than what I'm used to. Man, this is some crazy selling pressure, that's for sure. Smooth, unless you're gonna type that every time someone's gonna do it, you're gonna you're gonna get super tired of it, you know? If you're someone like me that has seen it like hundreds of times, you learn to just ignore it, you know? You just think, oh, there's another one. Cool. No win, no giveaway. That's right. Just here for the giveaway. Yeah. I mean, I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. Yeah, I think this hour is cooked as well. Look at this drop. Looks kind of actually beautiful, actually. The way the candles formed for today. Kind of beautiful. What do you mean you didn't make money today? Just go short. Like, what? What's wrong with you? I just follow my rules. Everything else is not my concern. Yeah. I felt almost nothing watching this and not taking a trade. Yeah. As you can see, the reason why I can just sit still here and not even move is that all this like candles moving up and down, it means nothing to me. Unless like I see my setup, right? So when I look at this, I don't think about all the money that I would have made. I don't think about anything, honestly. I'm just refreshing my Twitter so I can see the screenshots of people saying they took the short. That's all I'm waiting for. $91 to $78. 13 points. Not bad. It's a waiting game unless you're lucky to get in at the top. Yeah. I mean, we had a convict trader short at the very top. I don't know if he's still in it, but he's the only person I know that went short at the right time. All right, Smooth. I'll see you tomorrow, man. I'm gonna head out in like, I don't know, 5-10 minutes as well. So I'll see you tomorrow. Yep, keep showing up day in and out. You're in a long right now. Good luck, man. Are we really at May 8th? Go back slow. May 8th. Yeah, you're right. We bounced right off of that level. I'm so ready for the SpaceX IPO. I'm just ready for the fireworks. I'm here to watch it all. Am I buying? No. My general thesis is that that's going to be the top of the bubble, but I've never been right about that, so everything will probably go up. How much did I lose? 136. They lost 5 billion last year. I mean, the market can be irrational, right? For a long time. So, it might not go down right there, but maybe 1 or 2 years down the line. Elon Musk companies are not rational. Well, I know this Starlink, that's a decent company making money, but it's just the AI and Twitter. No, SpaceX and AI is bringing the company down. And the fact that Nasdaq and these other Russell, I think, is changing their rules so that they can include SpaceX faster. Everything points to a frothy, bubbly kind of a market. So, but again, that's not like an immediate sign that things will crash. Things could still go up, 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 and then as soon as people think, okay, maybe that wasn't a bubble, that's when it hits. So I don't know what that point is, but I think if you don't want to stress about it and you just want some brain dead simple way to ride this, just buy VTI, dollar cost average. You can do the gambling with your futures. Don't gamble your whole life away. All right, I'm gonna end the stream here, guys. Not getting anything here. Kind of bad. Kind of feels bad that I made this mistake, but that's all right. We'll see what happens later in the afternoon. About to hit your TP. I think you'll get it, man. But why is it coming back down? But yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.